Hey you guys, it's your girl Yana, and today I'm gonna show you how to play Pretty Isn't Pretty Enough by Olivia Rodrigo on your ukulele. So let's get started. And I just want to remind you guys that I have a Patreon, and in my Patreon shop there is a Black Friday sale. You will find 21 Pilots chord sheet pack, Taylor Swift chord sheet pack, Olivia Rodrigo chord sheet pack, Billie Eilish, Melanie Martinez, and TikTok chord sheet pack with more than 30 songs. So check it out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. So for this song, you guys, you will need just 4 chords: D, G, B minor, or if you're having difficulties with the bar chords, you can stay on D and then A. So one more time: D, G, B minor, or switching to D if it's too difficult for you, and A. That's it. And you guys, there's 2 ways of playing this song. First one is the strumming pattern that we all know: down, down, up, down, up on G, down, down, up, down, up on B minor. One more time. The second strumming pattern is guitar-like strumming pattern, which we're not gonna focus on today because it's not beginner friendly, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. You will need to play 8 down strums, and it's gonna sound like this: down, 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 and on A, down, 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 down. So you will need to do an accent on first, down, 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 then on fourth, down, 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 and on 7th. So one more time, it's gonna sound like this. So as I told you, guys, here we're gonna focus on an island strum: down, down, up, down, up. So first let's start with the intro, and in intro you will need this chord progression: D, G, B minor, A, and you will need to play it twice with our strumming pattern: down, down, up, down, up, 1 time on each chord. One more time. In the first verse, you guys, you will need the same chord progression: D, G, B minor, or staying on D and A, with our strumming pattern: down, down, up, down, up, 1 time on each chord. And this chord progression you will need to repeat 4 times, and it's gonna sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4.
Put a bunch of makeup, trying to cover up my face. I started to skip lunch, stop eating cake on birthdays. I bought a new prescription to try and stay calm. There's always something's missing. There's always something in the mirror that I think looks wrong.
In the chorus, you guys, you will need the same chord progression: D, G, B minor, A, and you will need to play it 4 times with our strumming pattern: down, down, up, down, up, 1 time in each chord, and it's gonna sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pretty isn't pretty enough. What do you do? And everybody's keeping it up. So you think it's you? I could change up my vibe, change up my face. I could try every lipstick and every shade, but it always feels the same.
you guys, let's talk about the second verse and let's divide it in two parts. The first part, you will need this chord progression D, G, B minor, A, with the same strumming pattern, down, down, up, up, down, up. One time on each chord. Repeating it twice. It's the first part of the verse. And for the second part, you will need this chord progression D, D, G, A. D, D, G, A. So repeating the same chord progression twice with our strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up. One time on each chord. D, D, G, A. And now second verse with lyrics, gonna sound like this. 2, 3, 4.
You can win the bar, but you never win the war. You fix the things you hated, you still feel so insecure. And I try to ignore it, but it's everything I see. It's in a poster on the wall, it's in the shitty magazine, it's in my phone, it's in my head, it's in the boys up in the bed. It's all around, it's all the time. I don't know why I even try.
Same thing is happening in the bridge, so same chord progression D, D, G, A, repeating it twice. Then we're going into our outro and playing our chord progression D, G, B minor, A, 4 times, and D chord at the end with just one down strum. And all together, bridge and outro, gonna sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And I bought all the clothes that they told me to buy. I just some dumb idea my whole fucking life, and none of it matters and none of it ends. You just feel like shit over and over again.
This is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was easy to follow as always for my beginner ukulele friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you won't miss out on my next tutorials, and don't forget to check out my Patreon shop for the Black Friday sale. Thank you for watching. Bye.